Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tag On. Friends, today I'm going to show that how to log in another Instagram account without password. Friends, to log in another Instagram account without password, friends, for this simply you have to turn on your Instagram account. After that you have to tap on the profile picture, bottom right side, then tap on triple straight line at the top right corner, and simply, my friends, you have to scroll down all the way. Then tap on add account, tap on login existing account. Now my friends, you have to tap on login to another account. Select your account from here, then tap on forget password. And you have to type here your email address or mobile number to get the reset your password, right? They'll send you a password and then you have to enter the password here, right? So no need to enter the previous password here, my friends, right? So friends, like this, if you want, you can log in your Instagram account without previous password, right? So friends, if you have any questions in this video, you can ask me in comment box. I'll try to give answers as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope to next time I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.